This will be our second instructional video for Farley Open scoring. This one will be for the Scramble round. It's very similar to what was explained in the first video for Crony round scoring. I'm going to start by going to farleyopen.com. Again, we want to stress while we are going to the website that the entering of digital information into the website is not going to supplant the need to both keep the team's score on a physical scorecard and to also turn that scorecard into the Pro Shop. The physical scorecard is the source of truth, but this is designed to make the process a little bit easier. So what I did was I just got out my cell phone, typed in farleyopen.com. I'm going to tap on enter Scramble round score. I am going to enter my email, which is for me saved in my iPhone. I'm going to go to next, and then I'm going to look for my name, which is alphabetical by last name. Michael Hartz. Next. And then the question is, what was your team's total gross score? So you're just going to enter the total gross score of, we'll say my team got a 67. And then I'm going to go done and submit. Again, just like the previous video, the screen goes a little bit shaded and you have to verify for the Google form that you are not a robot. Tap on all the tiles that have motorcycle parts in them and tap verify. And I get a message that says my Scramble round scores have been recorded. Please monitor email to confirm or edit if needed. I'm going to edit my response. We didn't get a 67. We actually got a 65. Next. I got a 65. Done. Submit. And again, you have to verify that you are not a robot. Look for the motorcycles, and verify. My Scramble round scores have been recorded. Please monitor your email. You will get an email. I can go over to my email. Oops. Go over to my email. Check out my Google form. The most recent one is right here. And it says my team's total gross score was 65. As long as I'm satisfied with that, no further action is needed. You could be satisfied with that, or you can go back out and look at the leaderboard, which is if you go up to the right-hand corner to the menu and then go to 2023 leaderboard, wait for it to load, scroll down to my name. There it is, Michael Hartz. It's easy right now because I'm the only one who's recorded any scores. I can see first my Scramble round scores that I entered in the previous video. And then you can see the 65 that I entered for a team score as well. So that would satisfy me that my scores have been entered correctly and that I have done everything I need to do. Now, for the Scramble round, each member of the team will have to enter the team's gross score. So if I was playing with Jarrett Rossi, Chris Canzanese, and John Farley Jr., each one of us would have to go to the website, or one of us as team captain could go for each of the other ones and enter the score individually. The team Scramble score has to be entered for each individual team member. And then, of course, you still have to turn in the physical card to the Pro Shop. And that will do it for this instructional video for the Scramble round scoring. Our third and final video will be for final round scoring. And I look forward to sharing that with you in just a moment.